Today we're going to show you how to install your ASC warranty sticker using the hinge method. These are the tools you're going to need to do the installation. Some tape, squeegee which we provided, a knife in case you get bubbles, tape measure, and something to clean your window. I've already cleaned the window, prepped the window, and we're good to go. Take a few pieces of tape, stick your sticker up just like you see it, exactly where you want it on the window. Then tape your tape measure. Make sure it's straight and centered within the window. Go off this bar with that 9.5 inches to the left, 9.5 inches to the right. If this bar is straight, then you know your sticker is straight. I go down, I've got 18 inches down from the top to the end of this bar, and on the other side, down 18 inches to this bar. So I know my sticker is straight and ready for installation. Take your tape, tape all the way across the top of the sticker. If it's windy out, I do recommend a second hand to hold one corner. And now for the install, Rob.
Alright, what I like to do is I just like to kind of do this before I actually lay it. What you do next, lift up the sticker, pull the backing off slowly,
Halfway.
like this, and then just lay it. And when you get close to here, just pull out the backing more. When you get very close to the bottom here, I like to lift it up, pull off the backing completely, like this. Just finish it out. After this, we're going to go ahead and peel the sticky part off. Get everything off, masking tape. Just like this. Like that. And if you have another sticky layer right here for the red letters, just go ahead and peel it off too. Like this. And then you're going to have some bubbles in there. And what we like to do, just take an X-Acto knife with a very sharp point, just pop it. That's it. And that's how you install it.
That's it.